then it could be you. Test your Cedar Point trivia with this twist on a classic midway game. Roll this way to Fascination Funway.
Hey, everybody!
Hey!
The beach is we got some big surprises. Do you like it? Do you like it? Oh, it's a bump, but it's a great bump. Is it why? How are you win, you win. You have a world of fun, you win.
Hello, friends. My name is Fascination, and welcome to Fascination Funway, the classic Cedar Point game you know and love, but with the Boardwalk twist. Your objective is simple. Get 5 fascinators in a row, whether across or diagonally, just like bingo. It is up to you to figure out if our fascinators are giving fascinating factual answers, or are they just making them up. Let's meet our fabulous fascinators.
I'm Thelma, and fun fact, I've eaten at every single restaurant and food stand in the park. I'm here for food facts, recommendations, and subtle organically placed marketing. Wow, all this fun makes me want a derby dog real bad.
I'm Marsha, and you can ask me anything about music or live entertainment. In fact, I have the entire 2012 Luminosity ready to go.
Oh,
so
not again. Now, Marsha, you're holding up the game.
I want to
Hey,
see
y'all, I'm Ricky, and I'm the one to come to for all things on Cedar Point and its history. I also happen to know where the nearest bathroom is at all times, and don't you worry, it's right over there on the beach. Yeah, you can cover it in sand, it'll be great.
Oh, good kid. All right, next up we have Sandy.
My name is Sandy. I am a Gemini, and I'm an expert on all things. Sand. I'm an expert on sand. I'm kidding. I'm all about roller coasters and thrill rides. You name it, I know it.
Hello, I am Wally, and when I'm not here, you can catch me at the beach with my bros, gathering sticks, leaves, and twigs for our nests. And stealing french fries from guests.
Wally, are your friends seagulls?
I don't really consider them my friends, more like family, very tight.
Okay, let's give a round of applause for our fascinators.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now, who's ready to play Fascination Funway? Simply raise your hand and one of our 5 fascinators will make their selection.
Don't be shy. Raise those hands high, girls.
I want to see jumping.
I want to feel like I'm on a coaster.
Things. What's happening? What's happening? What's
So
happening?
many options. I don't even know what to play.
Gravitating towards this side.
You there, boy. Come on up
Yes,
here.
yes, I want that one.
You come on up here.
Would you like to play? Yeah, come on up. Those ears were speaking.
I don't know. It's whoever grabs my hand first. 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 Whoever's gonna grab my hand. Who's gonna grab it?
Just right up those stairs there.
Y'all did not want to grab nothing. Come on. Come on, sweet peas. Ooh, make your way up them stairs. Okay, friends, I'm gonna hand you a stick with a thumbs up and a thumbs down. It's to answer your questions, okay?
Let's give a big, strikingly fascination welcome to our contestants.
All right.
There you go, Ricky. Get you too.
Let's hear about our fabulous prizes.
That's right, Benny. Winners of Fascination Funway will go home with a fabulously fascinating prize. Our winners will all take home a one-of-a-kind, limited edition Fascination Funway button.
It's mine. Oh, it's beautiful, isn't it?
All right, folks, a quick recap of the rules. Your goal is to get 5 fascinators in a row, whether across or diagonally. It is up to you to figure out if our fascinators are giving fascinating factual answers to the questions I ask them, or are they just making them up?
Never know.
Complete your task as a team to win the grand prize, a Fascination Funway button.
Okay, that was like.
Oh, that was very. Y'all
A
are
Fascination Funway button!
nice to hear.
Now, is everyone ready to play? Let's hear it. We heard it for the buttons. Excellent. Let's begin.
There you go.
Contestant 1, step up and choose your fascinator. Remember, Marsha specializes in music. Thelma knows food. Ricky can tell you everything Cedar Point. Sandy's your roller coaster expert. And Wally,
get it in.
Right back there where that belongs.
All right, Ricky. How many acres is Cedar Point?
Oh, easy, 365.
Oh. I'm sorry, contestant. Unfortunately, you are incorrect. It is 364. So close, but so far away. Ricky is a trickster. Contestant 2, step up and choose. You've got Marsha, Wally, Thelma, Ricky, or Sandy.
I got you, baby. Buckle in. Hit me, Fanny.
What former Cedar Point attraction famously welcomed riders to Alaska at the end of their journey?
Oh, that's an easy one. It was called Disaster Transport.
Contestant, do you agree or disagree? I'm sorry, contestant. Unfortunately, you are incorrect. It was Disaster Transport.
That's okay.
It's okay.
We're just getting started.
Right.
We're warming up. We've got this. Contestant 3, you've got the same choices of Marsha, Wally, Thelma, Ricky, or Sandy. Thelma?
All right. Good choice. Eat it up.
Eat it
Munch,
up.
munch, munch.
Ready? The sweet spot located on the main midway features what sweet handmade Cedar Point candy tradition?
Oh yes, I'm actually gonna get some after the show tonight, Fanny. It's fudge.
Congratulations, you are correct! It is fudge.
See, we just need
Now you can pass that paddle to the contestant behind you and take the stairs down to the game board. Remember, we're looking to get 5 fascinators in a row, whether across or diagonally, which means when you throw that ball, wherever it lands, our fascinator will go. So aim carefully. All right, fascinators, let's count them down in 3, 2, 1.
Wally.
Wow, look at that! What a great shot! Now go ahead and take your spot on the game board. And contestant, you are up. Your choice is Marsha, Wally, Ricky, or Sandy.
Miguel, I love you to say right twice. Hit me, Fanny.
All right, Sandy. What type of shoe do you not want to wear on the Raptor?
See, just like Wally, I like to wear flip-flops so it smacks people on the way down, but you should not wear your flip-flops. I'm just bad.
Contestant, do you agree or disagree that you should not wear flip-flops? Congratulations, you are correct. Good job. Go ahead and pass that paddle to the contestant behind you. Grab that ball from Sandy, and then make your way over to the game board. Now remember, we're looking to get 5 of our fascinators in a row, and we've already got one on the game board. You ready? Let's count you down. In 3, 2, 1.
Oh,
Okay, wait a minute.
Kiss that. Contestant, go ahead and make your way back up to the platform. Contestant, great job. All right, your choice is Marsha, Wally, or Ricky.
Good choice.
All right, Marsha. Class of '99, playing in the Jack Aldrich Theater, features what famous hits from the 90s. What Britney Spears hit is performed in the show?
Oh, trust me, I've seen this show a bazillion times. It's Hit Me Baby One More Time.
Contestant, do you agree or disagree? Congratulations, you are correct! Wow! And you can actually see Class of '99 playing for one more day at 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock.
Such a good song. My loneliness.
All right, fascinators, let's count it down in 3, 2, 1. Nice job, contestants. All right, you got to choose between Wally and Ricky.
I miss y'all.
Okay, let's get this back.
You know what, let me just...
We're gonna lock in here and we're gonna really get it.
All right, back in 2020, Cedar Point celebrated 150 years. What year was Cedar Point created?
What's 2020 minus 150? 1766.
1760.
Contestant, do you agree? Congratulations, you are correct! The year was 1870. All right, contestant, now we're looking to get 5 in a row, and you seem to have many options of ways to do this. All right, fascinators, let's count them down in 3, 2, 1.
Wait a minute.
Let's do it, take 2. You got it.
One more.
We like that.
All right, fascinators. Oh, look at that.
Whoa.
Oh, there you go. Great shot.
That was not a good assist.
Go ahead, back up to the platform. Hello, contestant. Let's go with Wally.
We swear together.
Let's do it.
track is there at Cedar Point?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay, so wingspan, divided by the square root of that, followed by carry the 3, add 2 to that. You get 63,389 feet.
Oh.
Congratulations, contestant! You are correct!
Bonus time, bonus time.
Bonus time.
Bonus time, bonus time. How could you lose?
Bonus time.
Bonus time.
Hey, bonus time. That's good. Bonus time.
Contestant, you are one very lucky individual because that song means it's time for bonus time. This song means that you will get to take 2 shots at the game board. 2 shots, 2 fascinators, 2 chances to win. Now your first shot is for Wally, and your second shot can be either for Thelma or Marcia. Who do you choose?
Probably this one.
Well,
Didn't even need a choice.
Oh.
Well, look at that! We've got one shot in for Wally. Now, you got the choice. Would you rather throw for Thelma or Marcia?
Be careful there.
Thelma, look at that! All right, Fascinators, let's count her down for the second shot. And 3, 2, 1. Good. All right, Marcia, one more question for the win.
Making me work hard today.
Can you name the Cedar Point saloon legend who runs the Palace Theater?
Oh, that is our very own Miss Lusty Lou.
Oh, I know her. She's contestant. Oh, unfortunately, you are incorrect. It is Lusty Lou.
I wouldn't lie to you.
That's okay. Let's try one more time, Marcia. Who is the youngest singer to ever win 2 Oscars?
The youngest singer to win 2 Oscars. Oh, that's Billie Eilish. The green hair.
Contestant, do you agree? Yes, congratulations, you are correct.
There you go. Good job.
All right, let's do it. One more shot for the win. Thelma, you might want to duck down for this one. Okay. I think this kid might be sharp. All right, Fascinators, let's count him down in 3, 2, 1.
I'm here, baby. I'm here.
Congratulations! All 5 of our Fascinators are in a row, which means you all win this very special Fascination Funway button.
There it is. Look at it. It's so beautiful. Y'all don't like that? Okay, you like that. Thank you.
Thank you all for playing Fascination Funway. Be sure to check out all the other live entertainment, games, food, and fun here at Boardwalk Nights.
Now get to the park fast. I'm wearing sparkles. You won't lose.
9:45, don't miss the finale.
We'll see